Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen gadget that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience, especially if you love to stir-fry or need a versatile, portable cooking solution. We're talking about the leconchef induction cooker with wok. Now, induction cooking isn't new, but leconchef seems to have put a real focus on integrating it with a wok, a combination that's historically been the heart of many Asian cuisines. So, does this unit live up to the hype, or is it just another countertop appliance? Let's find out. Right off the bat, one of the most compelling features of this induction cooker is its speed and efficiency. It boasts an impressive 11 temperature and power settings, ranging from 400 watts all the way up to 1800 watts, and temperatures from 175 degrees Fahrenheit to a scorching 520 degrees Fahrenheit. You can fine-tune your cooking with both a knob and dedicated keys, which offers a nice level of precision. What's particularly interesting is the design. It features a built-in three-dimensional copper electric heating ring and a semicircular black crystal plate. This design isn't just for aesthetics, it significantly increases the heating area, meaning your food should cook more evenly. The claim is that it cooks faster and saves energy compared to traditional gas cooktops, and importantly, with no open flames, the safety aspect is a major selling point, reducing risks of burns and fires. The size and portability of this unit are also noteworthy. Measuring at 12.8 inches deep, 15.7 inches wide, and 4.5 inches high, it's compact enough to not hog your precious counter space. And the fact that it comes bundled with a 14-inch carbon steel wok is a fantastic value proposition. The entire set weighs around 10 pounds, making it easy to move around. This makes it an ideal candidate for RVs, dorm rooms, campsites, or any small apartment where space is at a premium, but you still want to whip up a proper meal. The versatility here is clear, as it's designed for frying, stewing, braising, and more. Now let's talk about those convenience features. The "keep warm" function is something I always appreciate. It maintains a consistent 175 degrees Fahrenheit at 300 watts, which is quite power efficient. This means you can have your meal ready and keep it warm until everyone is at the table, no more cold food. Beyond that, the 24-hour timer and preset function are incredibly useful for busy cooks. You can set it and forget it, allowing you to multitask or simply enjoy your evening while dinner is being prepared. This really ups the efficiency and convenience factor. Heat dissipation is another area leconchef has focused on. The unit has two built-in fans that work to quickly draw in air and expel heat through the outlets. This rapid circulation is crucial for maintaining optimal operating temperatures and, importantly, extending the lifespan of the appliance. Overheating can be a killer for electronics, so having a robust cooling system is a sign of good design. Safety is paramount in any kitchen appliance, and this induction cooker has several built-in protections. It features automatic shutdown once the set cooking time is complete, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to turn it off. There's also an intelligent sensor that detects if the wok is on the stove. If the wok is removed, it will emit a reminder sound and automatically shut down, preventing accidental heating. Additionally, the surface can withstand high temperatures up to 250 degrees Celsius, and if it exceeds this, a safety protection device will activate to shut down the unit, preventing damage from excessive heat. The wok itself is a 14-inch carbon steel pan, which is a great choice for stir-frying. Carbon steel heats up quickly and conducts heat very evenly, which is exactly what you want for high-heat, fast cooking. This ensures your food is seared properly, retaining its nutrients and that delicious aroma. The wok's design, combined with the induction cooker's heating area, aims to ensure that more food is cooked evenly, a common challenge in traditional woks that might have hot spots. Now, for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the speed and efficiency are excellent. The versatility in terms of settings and portability is a huge win for many home cooks. The inclusion of a quality carbon steel wok at this price point is a significant bonus. The safety features are robust, and the keep warm and timer functions add real convenience. The even heating claim, especially with the wok integration, is very appealing. However, there are a few things to consider. While 11 levels offer good control, some professional chefs might find the highest temperature of 520 degrees Fahrenheit to be a little limiting for certain extreme searing techniques. Also, like all induction cookers, you need to ensure your cookware is induction compatible. Thankfully, the included wok is perfect. Another potential consideration is the learning curve for precise temperature control with the knob and keys, though most users should adapt quickly. Lastly, while it's portable, you still need a power outlet, so true outdoor, off-grid cooking is still limited. In conclusion, the leconchef induction cooker with wok appears to be a well-designed and highly functional kitchen appliance. It strikes a great balance between performance, convenience, safety, and value, especially with the included wok. Whether you're looking to upgrade your stir-frying game, need a secondary cooking surface, or are simply seeking a safe and efficient way to cook in a smaller space, this leconchef unit is definitely worth considering. It's a compelling package that offers a lot for its price point. Link in the description.